of Fortune player bombs prize puzzle with insane guess. Recent Wheel of Fortune player bombed the prize puzzle in epic fashion. So much so that viewers were even surprised by this insane turn of events. So what happened with this situation that even had host Ryan Seacrest in stitches? Wheel of Fortune is full of surprises. As with many popular game shows, Wheel of Fortune is full of surprises. One of the biggest ones in recent game show history has been Ryan Seacrest taking over for Pat Sajak as the new host. It has been hit or miss among viewers since Ryan took over. On the other hand, there are some Wheel of Fortune watchers who wish Seacrest well. While he is never going to do things exactly the way that Pat Sajak did, that's how it's going to be if Ryan is really going to put his stamp on this new era of the show. Somewhat reluctantly, fans are slowly starting to give him that space. W of Player Bomb's recent prize puzzle in epic fashion. As longtime Wheel of Fortune watchers know, when you make it to the final puzzle, that does not guarantee that players will go home with the prize. Whether it's money, a new car, or an exotic trip, there's always something substantial waiting at the end, provided the player solves the final puzzle standing in the way. It turns out, a recent Wheel of Fortune player had the chance to do just that. Phoebe Hine from Portland, Oregon. She made it all the way to the final puzzle after beating out the rest of the competition to make it that far. She had just one more puzzle standing between her and even more prizes. Wheel of Fortune player drops the ball at the finish. The category for this Wheel of Fortune final puzzle was food and drink. With all the letters added, Phoebe stared down a puzzle that looked like this: underscore underscore and D underscore AD underscore R underscore underscore T. When the timer starts, players don't have a lot of time to talk things out. So she was under the gun and had her work cut out for her with this final puzzle. Both Ryan Seacrest and fans on Reddit lost it over sun-dried bird. So, in addition to the wound of missing out on an extra $75,000, viewers continue to rub salt in it over this player's ridiculous answer. For all the latest Wheel of Fortune news, come back again to TV Show's Ace for more.